Got a computer, phone, and an internet connection? Want to learn how to earn money while you watch some videos? Then you're watching the right video for you. It doesn't matter where you are, because this method is available for anyone in any country worldwide. If you're familiar with Bitcoin, then you have an idea of what cryptocurrency is. In this video, I'm going to be introducing a special website that has other crypto offers later on. Stay tuned to know what this website is and to know what you can do with it. If you like videos like this one, then go and subscribe to our channel. We regularly post videos similar to this one, so make sure to check our channel out for more online money-making videos. The first site that I will be introducing today is called ESBTCNews.com. You can access their site using your laptop, and they also have an app available for Android smartphones and soon for iOS users as well. ESFaucets lets you earn money just by completing simple tasks such as answering surveys and watching videos. You can see here on their About section that basically says that their platform lets you decide how often you claim your rewards, and that's what makes them different from other cryptocurrency faucet platforms. What's great about this platform is that they don't only offer Bitcoin, but other cryptocurrencies as well. Next, their crypto miner basically runs in the background while you just do anything you want. You don't have to do anything to earn money, and instead, they'll do it for you. Also, you won't have to worry about your device's performance because it won't be affected at all. Regardless if you're using a laptop or a smartphone, it won't negatively affect your device, so no need to worry. This platform offers a lot of crypto aside from Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and many more. Choosing which crypto you'd want to go with is up to you. The next thing that you should do is to register or sign up to this website. To do so, scroll back all the way to the top and click Sign Up. Provide the necessary information being asked, accomplish the given CAPTCHA, and proceed by clicking on Register when you're done. Once you've registered and created your very own account, this is how your dashboard will look like. One thing to know about this site is that it has a leveling system. When you increase your levels, you will gain more benefits. The more frequent you redeem your earnings, the quicker you level up. As you're currently on level 0, the list of cryptos you're allowed to use are limited. These include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, and Digibyte. For the time being, let's just focus on the ones we can use first. Let's try Bitcoin, which is the most popular crypto of all. On the left option bar, you can see a lot of options that you can choose from. You're free to explore to know more about the site. But first, let's go to this option that says Earn. When you click that, you will see several ways you can earn money. These include faucets, pay-to-click, videos, offers, and more. When you click on faucets, you'll see all the cryptos that you can choose from. For the sake of this video, let's just go ahead and choose Bitcoin. You will now be redirected to a page where you can see the balance. Now to claim the Bitcoins, scroll down and you'll see a sign saying click here to claim. Click on that and you will be taken to a page where you will be shown how much Bitcoin you've claimed in total. I recommend that you go over all the options under Earn so that you can maximize your earnings on this site. The option Paid to Click basically gets you paid when you click on some buttons. Some buttons will take you to another site, and when you do that, you will get paid. The amount of rewards that you will gain when you do this varies from site to site, so make sure to accomplish as much as you can. When you finish all of them, you'll have to wait for it to refresh and give you a fresh batch of tasks to do. While you wait, you can accomplish other tasks under the Earn section. You won't run out of anything to do with this site. You can also earn rewards just by watching some videos, and you don't even have to stay and actually watch the videos. You can let it play in the background while you do something else. The rewards are also shown on each task, and it varies from one to another. While these features let you earn money, the miner feature lets you earn so much more. To get started, click on Start, and you'll start earning passive income. You can use this feature using your laptop or mobile phone. Remember that you don't have to worry about the performance of your device because it won't be affected at all. To withdraw your earnings, go to your dashboard and select My Account. Under that, you'll see the Withdraw option. Click on that and you'll now be able to select which cryptocurrency you'd like to convert your rewards to. I recommend using Coinbase.com as your wallet, but this also has its downsides. You will now be required to withdraw at a higher minimum amount, but you won't be charged for any withdrawal fee. To access Coinbase, just go to their site and sign up for an account. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, then please like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.